Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the new design of two amber pendant necklaces. Let's take a look at these two pendants. The smaller one is basically gold amber, water drop shape with a little bit white amber on the left side, forming a pattern like a growing plant here. I will use a rosewood lotus bead as the top bead, like my own amber necklace. And the bigger one is more like a free form with much white amber that forms a special pattern. And since this pendant is a bit narrow, I'm gonna use 8mm Nanhong agate as the top bead. And the main body of two necklaces will be lapis, which is more affordable. 0.6mm braided cord. And I'm gonna make the necklace total length about 26 inches. So prepare the cord in about 35 inches. And burn the cord to make the needle. Now attach the pendant like this. The design will be similar as my own necklace. The only difference is the main body of this one is lapis, while mine is genuine turquoise. And don't worry about the color of the turquoise, because the origin color of my turquoise is exactly like this. As you wear it longer, the color will turn green or maybe blue. But I want to make it a little bit different, like more colorful. So let me try the Nanhong agate. See how it looks. Right, let's see how it looks. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, then I will continue to thread the rest of it. Okay, so it's almost done. Now the necklace length is about 20 inches. And get another cord. I'm gonna make a macrame braided knot right here. If you don't know how to make this knot, click the suggested video above. Okay, now cut both strings. And remember not to cut it all. Now burn the cord. Press. And this side. Press. And then I will leave 3 inches extension here. So this is the ending bead, 6 mm lapis. So 3 inches, it will be about right here. And then I will tie a snake knot here. You can make it 1 or 2. Okay, I'll make it 2 this time. Do you still remember how to make it? Okay, then cut the strings and burn. And it's done. So the first necklace is done. If you still remember in my previous video, the reason why I attached the pendant like this, because with this design, you can take off the pendant very easily if you want to, without cutting the entire necklace. The second one, use the same way to attach the pendant and the agate bead. For this one, I want to use more nanhong agate because the top bead is nanhong. So the design will be different. So 2 necklaces are done. How do you like them? And they will be available in my store, DIYnotion.com. And don't forget to use coupon KarenBday for the 30% off promotion. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.